So we'll start with dictionary. To initialize a dictionary, you just have to write dict and then curly brackets. And if I check the type of it, I'll print type, then dict. How is dictionary different from sets? It's like dictionary is a combination of key and values. This is one dictionary. So here one, you can see 1, 2 and name. These three are the keys of a dictionary, and ABC, EFG and XYZ are the values of a dictionary, accessing values. If I want to just print dict at key 1, so the answer should come out to be ABC. So 1 here is the key. If I just write instead print dict and this I write name, it will come out to be XYZ. Why? Because name here is the key and XYZ is the value that key represents. Dict, and here I'll write, let's just say 3. It will cause an error because key 3 does not exist. If I want to change dict 1, I want to change the name of it, the value XYZ. I want to change this value XYZ, so I write dict 1 name equals to main. I also want to add one new key and a value, so I'll write dict 1 age 22. When I print dict 1 now, the name value of name has been changed to name. A new value with the key age is added. Age is the key and 22 again here is the value. If you want to delete any element, you will just use the keyword del. I'll write a del dict 1 name. If I print dict 1, the name is gone. So if I want the dictionary to be empty, I'll just write dict 1 dot clear. And when I now print the dict 1, it will be an empty dictionary. If you want to completely delete this dictionary, you can just write del dict 1. Now the dictionary is deleted completely. Now if I try to print it, dict 1 does not exist. No duplicate keys. A dictionary can never keep duplicate keys. Okay, and if I write here 1 equals to ABC, 2 is equal to EFG, name is equal to XYZ, and now I again add 2 is equal to YUL. Now when I print it, it won't keep any duplicate keys, but it will keep the last defined element of the key. You cannot use a list as a key. If I take this one here again, and I'll write 1 is equal to ABC, 2 is equal to EFG, and instead of just keeping a immutable element like string, I will make it a list. If I can just run it, it will give me an error because list is mutable and keys should always be immutable. This is a dictionary, and if I want to just print the keys of this dictionary, I'll use print dict1 dot keys. If I want to print values, I'll write values. If I want to print items, okay, now there are 4 keys, 1, 2, name and 4. Values are ABC, EFG, XYZ, YUL. D is equal to eval, and I want you guys to check what is eval. Okay, then I write input dictionary. I want to print type D. You can easily do functions like, okay, print sum d dot values. Let me take one dictionary again, sorted key. I'll use the keyword sorted d dot items. It is sorted by key. Now the dictionary we entered was C1, B5 and A3. Now it is sorted by its key, that is A, B and C. So, okay, if I want to sort it by value, okay, sorted underscore value, I'll use the keyword sorted d dot items. Now the operator comes in the play. Operator I'll use the operator. Let me just write it first. Key is equal to operator dot item getter print sorted values. What this operator function does is it get the value of that particular key and then sort it according to that.